Welcome to our cooking channel, where we uncover the secret to making your roast chicken incredibly juicy and full of flavor. In this video, we will share 3 simple steps that will transform your roast chicken game forever. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to achieve a succulent and delicious roast chicken. Join us on this culinary journey and unlock the secret to perfection. Welcome back to our cooking channel. Today, we have an exciting secret to reveal that will change the way you make roast chicken forever. Get ready to discover the key to achieving the juiciest roast chicken you've ever tasted in just 3 simple steps. Let's get started. Are you tired of serving dry and flavorless roast chicken? Look no further as we reveal the secret to making your roast chicken juicier and more delicious than ever before. Follow these 3 simple steps and amaze your taste buds. Step 1. Brine your chicken. This ancient technique involves soaking your chicken in a saltwater solution before roasting. Adding flavors like herbs, spices, and citrus can enhance the taste even further. Brining helps the chicken retain moisture, resulting in a juicier and more tender meat. To brine your chicken, combine water, salt, and your choice of flavors in a large container. Place the chicken in the brine, ensuring it's fully submerged. Let it rest in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours, or ideally overnight. This process will guarantee the most succulent roast chicken you've ever made. Step 2. Roasting the chicken. But first, we need to season our chicken. Generously sprinkle salt and pepper on both sides of the chicken, as well as inside the cavity. Don't be afraid to use your favorite herbs and spices to add extra flavor to the chicken. Be creative and feel free to experiment. Once seasoned, let the chicken rest at room temperature for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to penetrate and the meat to absorb the seasoning. Now that your chicken is perfectly seasoned, it's time to give it that golden and juicy roast. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit or 220 degrees Celsius. While the oven is heating up, place the seasoned chicken on a roasting rack inside a baking dish. To ensure even cooking and to preserve the moisture, truss the chicken by tying its legs together with kitchen twine. Once the oven has reached the desired temperature, put the prepared chicken inside and roast it uncovered for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, reduce the oven temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit or 190 degrees Celsius. Continue roasting the chicken until it reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit or 74 degrees Celsius. Remember to baste the chicken with its own juices every 15 to 20 minutes during the roasting process. This will add extra moisture and flavor to the chicken. Step 3. Resting and serving the chicken. The final step in achieving a succulent and juicy roast chicken is to let it rest before serving. Once the chicken reaches the desired internal temperature, carefully remove it from the oven and transfer it to a cutting board. Cover the chicken loosely with aluminum foil and let it rest for approximately 15 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, resulting in a moist and flavorful chicken. After the resting time, it's time to carve and serve your delicious roast chicken. Congratulations on learning how to make your roast chicken juicier in just 3 simple steps. By properly preparing the chicken, roasting it to perfection, and giving it sufficient resting time, you can achieve a moist and flavorful roast chicken every single time. We hope you enjoyed this video and that you'll try these techniques in your own kitchen. Remember, good food is meant to be shared, so don't hesitate to gather your loved ones and impress them with your newfound roast chicken expertise. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes, and stay tuned for our next culinary adventure. Until then, happy cooking!